Guys, so today it's my abs workout, and I'm going to tell you about some exercises that I do. I do alternate days cardio workout in morning, so it's a six exercises in one set. We're going to do 3 sets. So that's the exercises. So first we're going to do is the crunches. So the motion is you have to pick up any weight which is you can easily handle. So you just have to put it here. Don't have to move your hands. You have to squeeze your upper abs part. It's for upper abs. The second exercise that we will do is hanging leg raises. In this workout, you have to make a 8. It's a round 8. Maybe you can do it in 8 form or in a circle form. It's for your lower abs and your for side oblique part. It's a very effective exercise for obliques. Third exercise we're going to do is sides. Sides, if you don't have a machine, you can do it by free weights also. This is the motion. You have to do it for the opposite side also. Just have to pick up. If you don't have this machine, you have to carry weight, and you have to bend. It's also for the sides and that love handles. The fourth exercise that we're going to do is our plank. See, there is one more motion in plank. We will do plank plus plank crunches. You have to be in this stable position. Then to go back, forward. This motion you have to repeat for approx 30 to 45 seconds, as much as you can. Every exercise you have to do is for 30 to 45 seconds. Don't count how many reps you do. Just see it. Minimum you do it for 30 seconds per exercise. So in this motion we are targeting our middle ab portion and also for the core, because it's a plank. Plank is a core exercise. Last exercise, or the second last exercise, is a side twist. So we have a machine here. If you don't have a machine, you can take a rod. You don't have to move your hands in it. Hands are stiff. You don't move like this. Just for this, if you don't have a machine, then the oblique part is another way you can do it is by taking a rod and then this. It's a very easy workout. You have to move it 90 half full rotation to here, 90 degree, and then again here 90 degree. The last exercise that we will do is it's a mountain climber. You just have to be fast in this motion and hitting your lower abs. Every exercise you have to do it for 30 to 45 seconds depending upon your strength. These 6 exercises you have to do in a continuous way without any rest. It makes one set. Then you have to take a rest for 2 minutes or 1 minute. Again follow And again, it's a 3-set workout. If you're tough enough, you can do a 4-set workout. It's just a 15 to 20 minutes workout. All stay motivated.